Hi, I'm making some soup today. Today's variety is going to be butternut squash with onion, but you can make any other types of vegetables that you prefer. And for me, it's a great thing to have available when I've got a busy day or a busy week going on, because when I'm hungry, I want something quick. And if I make up a big pot of it beforehand, it's available just to kind of take the edge off of hunger. The butternut squash soup is very easy, just a few ingredients. I've got the butternut squash, as well I'm using red onion today, and you can use another type of onion that you prefer. The bone broth is what I'm using today. You can use water if you'd like, or even if you want to make your own bone broth. This is an organic variety. I also need some olive oil. I put that in the bottom of the pot when I'm sauteing up the vegetables firsthand, and then some herbs. This is garlic and herb, and then this one is herb de Provence, and then I'll use a little bit of real salt for seasoning. You can use other herbs that you prefer. It really is what tastes best to you, and then combining those things. So the onion and the butternut squash are going to just be cut in chunks like that, and I will add them to a pan which has some olive oil in the bottom. It has some onions already in there, but I'm going to add these others. And we're going to let these heat up until they're translucent. Okay. I'm going to use a little bit of mixing that up. That's going to take a few minutes. Just watch it, but it doesn't take that long. And once the vegetables are translucent, you'll then want to add your broth and your herbs as are tasty to you. And from that point, we're going to let them simmer until the vegetables are tender. So we get a mixture that's kind of looking like that. Okay. From that point, I'm going to turn the heat off and then let it cool down. And what I do from there is I go ahead and use my Vitamix, and I'll put that whole mixture in my Vitamix, and I already did this. As you can see, it's blended up and it makes a nice creamy mixture which is chock full of nutrients and is incredibly delicious. So it is not a difficult thing to do, and you can do different vegetables as you enjoy. I love also a cauliflower soup that I make quite often, but it's one of those things, it's done in a very short amount of time, but you've got nutrients, you've got taste, and you've got something that's available when you need it. So thanks for joining me. See ya.